Okay. Good evening, Kit and Manan. Today we'll be recording a podcast regarding the topic between the clash of comfort and courage. Now, I believe that it's a very common topic, and I think all of us have faced a combat between the two. We have been, kind of in the middle of splits between the two because let's face it, at this stage in grade 10, both of the qualities are required. I mean, we definitely need comfort, although we lack it in these uncertain times. But we definitely do need comfort, don't we? And the courage that we need in order to get through with grade 10, in order to get through with all the assignments and all the hardships, all the troubles we face, that is required by us too. So it's a very big conundrum that we face between the two. And we will be discussing about this in today's podcast. So now, according to me, Tirth has a, a perspective that comfort is that comfort has a higher regard as compared to courage. As per me, it's the reverse of this. I feel that courage is a more important characteristic. So we'll definitely be having a fruitful debate about this, I think. And I think Manan is neutral. He says that both are required, which surely is right. But I'm sure he'll chip in a few of his own points within the course of the podcast. So, okay, I will start with the discussion. Okay, now, so I feel that courage is a little more necessary than comfort because let's face it, at each and every point in our life, we need courage to, get a higher position, don't we? Right now, if I am earning a salary of say 2 lakh per annum, I will definitely want a higher salary. Although it is a pretty good post I have, I'll definitely want more, won't I? That's called progress. Now, for that, I will definitely need courage. It's not like just sitting at my home in my comfort zone. I will get everything I want and require.
I was saying that I believe all human beings work really, really hard to achieve happiness, and one way of achieving happiness is getting into a comfort zone, or creating a comfortable place for you to live in the rest of your life.
But
And
don't
I
you
if you're
think?
agree with Steve.
But
what
don't you both think that at some point of time you need to get out of this comfort zone? Are you saying that you will perpetually live in this comfort zone and you know be satisfied
um,
with whatever you have at this point?
why would I need to get out of the comfort zone when that's what everyone wants to achieve?
But in order to achieve the comfort zone, won't you require courage?
But aren't I given the option to choose between courage and comfort?
See, you're just given the option to choose a quality if you would rather have comfort or courage. But I don't think it's applicable in real life either. I mean,
It
let's
is
be
like
honest.
applicable because if you're in your comfort zone, like now in the lockdown, people are working from home from their comfort zone. It has not brought out any change in either their position or anything in their life. It's just they're in the comfort zone, so they can
You know,
be proper in their comfort zone too.
contrary to this point, I was just going to bring up the point of the lockdown. Manan, don't you feel that in the lockdown, everyone is pushed to get out of their comfort zone? I mean, let's take me as an example. I've always been an extrovert who has loved talking to his friends. I always love meeting my friends. I always love having human interaction. But in this lockdown, I've not met anyone since the past, say, 2 months. I barely have any physical contact with people. And it's definitely tough for me. It's a hard time. But I have the courage to go through with it. And that's why I am fine at this point. I'm not in splits.
So
I'm not.
that is something that you've chosen. If you wanted, you could have met them, but because you were
No.
scared of the virus,
Yeah,
that's the
exactly.
reason why you didn't step out.
Yeah, I'm scared of the COVID virus because it's deadly, isn't it? I mean, people are dying because of the pandemic. People definitely are facing a lot of trouble regarding the pandemic itself. That's
Um,
why,
yes, so I would just like to ask you and Krish and Manan to get back on the topic. I think we are getting a little bit deviated from it.
yeah, okay, sure. Yeah, so my point being, as Shylock himself has quoted, in The Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 3. Thrift is a blessing if men steal it not. So basically, anything I deserve, anything I work hard for, if I achieve it, don't you think I deserve it? Don't you think I should enjoy it too? I mean, if I work hard for something with my courage, don't you think the comfort I get at the end of it is well deserved? However, if you just randomly ask for comfort and get it, don't you think that's a tad bit unfair? Not even a tad bit. Don't you think it's very unfair?
So basically, you're choosing working hard and to get something that you're getting for free.
No,
So and
I'm just
since
saying that at any point in life, you will have to work hard to get comfort. It cannot be handed to you just without working hard for it. I mean, let's be honest. Some people can be happy with whatever given to them, and that's a very good trait. Trust me, it's one of the best traits that human can have. But won't even that human want something more? Won't they want something out of the bubble given to them already? That
Wanting something more is a human instinct of everybody. So you have to have some courage to get on that step that is higher.
exactly that's what I'm saying. You definitely need courage in order to get a higher post or a higher ranking. Without it, you will just be stuck where you are or for your life.
yeah, so you're saying that you will be stuck in the position that you are already are in. But wouldn't I be stuck in the position of being like I won't be stuck here. I want to be comfortable for the rest of my life.
Yes, but you will
That's
definitely change. Do you still have the same wants you had 5 years ago?
Then why can't my comfort zone also change? Like if I'm being
Because it's
given
a because
eternal
it's a small
comfort.
thing. If you do not move, if you do not progress from the place given to you, you will stay the same. If the lockdown was the only way of living for me, like if I was born in this pandemic, I wouldn't have known a world outside of it. I wouldn't have progressed the world. So I would be stuck within the same with the
Um,
same food, with the same people. I wouldn't have known what is better for me. But luckily,
so
I was not in this pandemic. I got out of my house. I met a lot of people. I knew what I want. If you would have been stuck in your comfort zone throughout it, and you won't even know. You would not be able to discover yourself, who you are as a person.
basically you want to say that we should make different choices every day, and we should do
Not every day.
different we should make different choices. We should do different tasks. We so that we can know what we want in life.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
yeah, so you're basically trying to say that we should make different choices and we should to in life.
Not
Am I right?
exactly. But after a point, you need to. I mean, you need to explore different certainties because the only world you will be living in is your comfort zone. Don't you think you have to get out of the comfort zone in order to explore your personality, yourself, in order to meet new people, in order to chat with people, in order to travel the world?
Like,
Yeah,
see
so
this. We are sent to different classes when we are small by our parents. Maybe dance classes, music classes, and chess classes and whatever, so that you know what you have some interest in.
yeah,
Exactly.
so I
And that's how you know what you like. That's how you know where you are comfortable with. So, choice and courage to pursue a choice is how you know you are comfortable in a particular field. Without it, how would you know? How would you ask for eternal comfort without it?
yes, I would like to quote Loki here, but I got interrupted by Manan, so I'll just quote him here right now. Loki is the Norse god, and he said that for every living thing, choice breeds shame and uncertainty and regret. There's a fork in every road, yet the wrong path always taken. So I don't think it's a good idea to get out of your comfort zone and be courageous, because you are going to mess up or you are going to face consequences for doing so.
Yes, but just because you take a risk, have a life without any risk, what's the point of living it? I mean, since you quote a fictional character, I will too. As Sirius Black once said, what's life without a bit of risk? Now, without taking certain risks in your life, you're not going to be able to explore your true, the true meaning of life or what your true destiny or purpose is. You're not going to be able to figure out what you need in life. I mean, let's contemplate this. Right now, you're in grade 10. All right, you suppose you do not meet any of us. You do not know who we are. You do not know any of the teachers or any of the students, because that, I'm assuming, is your comfort zone. You would rather just be at home, enjoy life as it is, without having the pressure of you studying the entire day, or say doing assignments or projects. That's your comfort zone. At least that's mine. I mean, my comfort zone consists of a few friends, a good sport, or a good movie, or a good show, on staying at home, and going out at times or traveling. But that's not what the reality is. I mean, I have to wake up every day and go sit at school, just so that I know that I'm going to have a brighter future if I do so. So you need to
Now,
explore.
see,
You have to
if
take
you
risks.
take a, Krish, you can go.
Yeah, 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 sorry, continue.
Yeah,
One
so if we take a real life example there, now if we take the stock market, so if you invest over there, you're being courageous because there's some risk that is involved. But the people who don't take that risk, they're just keeping their money aside and they're not growing. Basically, a comfort zone, it restricts you and you cannot grow if you want to stay in your comfort zone.
Yes, I would like to exploit a loophole over here. What if I'm comfortable with not being rich or not increasing my money? I'm being happy, right? I'm
Now,
happy or I'm comfortable without all the things that one could achieve by investing in the stock market or any other or money multiplying assets.
but if you don't have any money with you, you obviously have to save up money for your future, for your child's education, or for whatever reason. So you obviously have to use some or the other method to grow. And for that, you'll have to come out of your comfort
But
zone.
the thing is, there's another loophole in this point itself. I mean, in order to have a child, you need to meet someone else, don't you? But Tir here is saying that he would only prefer living in his comfort zone, which will, I think, almost bar him from meeting people. I mean, a
Um,
comfort
Bold of
zone.
you to assume my comfort zone isn't meeting people.
But Tir, how much so? I mean, the more experienced you are, the more you know about where you want to go. That's where you meet new people, don't you? I mean, if you wouldn't have the courage to wake up every day, study, and get good grades in school, you will never be able to go to college. And that's where you will meet new people. You will meet new people at different internships, colleges, jobs. You cannot just
Um,
go around in the street randomly telling people, "Hi, I'm Chris. I chose comfort over courage. I like to stay in my comfort zone. Please, be my friend." That's
but I
how
don't
I.
think going to college is a very courageous thing to do.
You
Everybody
need,
does it.
because everyone has the courage to pass out from school to go to college. It's not very easy to just
Several people
go.
do it. It is easy.
Just because several people do does not make it easy. I mean,
Uh,
you are in school right now. Wouldn't you count this as tough? Wouldn't you say that grade 10 is like almost like living hell?
I would agree with you on that. I mean, making 20 minutes podcast is tough. Jokes aside, I would like to quote Mobius from the Loki series. Existence is chaos. Nothing makes any sense. So we try to make some sense out of it. So what I want to say is that by being courageous or trying to find out what you want in life, you are basically trying to make some sense of the chaos that is existence. So if you are in your comfort zone, you will be peaceful and you will be away from all the problems and hardships of the world. So why do you want to go get out of your comfort zone to find something that you already had?
But then if there's no adventure in life, you're not going out of your comfort zone, then there are no ups and downs. So there's no adventure, there's no point of life. You're just sitting like this and not doing anything.
Exactly. So, right now, what is your ideal vacation? Just run me through your ideal vacation. Like, what's the best
Um,
case scenario for a vacation?
I don't want to go anywhere. I'll just sit at my home and play PUBG.
Okay.
That will get you a very good career.
But Manan, what
Okay,
with not having a good career?
but this not having a good car, that that's basically how communism starts. This if everyone just goes on saying that I don't want to get out of my comfort zone, I am satisfied with earning the minimal amount or even nothing and just living where I am and I'm comfortable. But everyone starts saying that, I don't think there will be any competition. I don't think there will be any point of life anymore. Everyone will just sit at their home, play games, fend for
But
themselves. That's basically what the cavemen did, didn't they? They literally just sat at their homes in their comfort zone. They caught fish or say any animal, ate them, and that's how they survived. But even they, being sensible enough, they moved around. They kept on progressing. They evolved into a species which is now very complex to even understand. And that's how we go ahead with life. We don't just sit at a place thinking everything is going to be fine and be comfortable with where we are at this point. We'll always
um
need more than what we have. Yeah, go on.
why do you so why can't they just live in peace and be in their comfort zone and enjoy life? For it is very short.
Because if everyone keeps on just doing that, if everyone just keeps on sitting at a place without any competition, there's not going to be any progress. We'll be
The
stuck where
world
we
won't
are.
evolve.
We'll be stuck where we are.
But don't you want to make progress to achieve the final ultimate goal? And isn't that
Which
goal
is
being happy or being peaceful? And
That's a
isn't
very
that
fair point.
achieved by being in your comfort zone or making yourself a living that will
Okay,
bring
Askar,
you to your comfort zone?
I will certainly agree with you here. I mean, um, it's scientifically proven that people within their comfort reaches do get better results. So yeah, I definitely agree with your point out here.
And in
Because
your comfort zone, you could be whoever, whatever you want to be, even someone good. So why do you want to go get out of your comfort zone, work hard,
fair
and
enough. I think I just thought of another perspective which you can shed light on. I mean, it's not compulsory that everyone's comfort zone is just sitting back at home and chilling. I mean, a lot of people actually love working and they like committing
that's
to their
true.
job. So yeah, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Sure.
And Manan, would you like to add on some new point to either side to
It's basically that you be in your comfort zone, but you have to take some decisions that are
Yeah, I
courageous
think that is
so that
perfect.
you
Yeah,
evolve in your life.
yeah, definitely. I think this will conclude. I think everyone's points. I think everyone should be given a certain amount of comfort in their day-to-day life. I mean,
Yeah.
you need a lot of courage to make normal life decisions too. But till the time you are in your comfort zone, I think everything is going to be fine. I mean, let's take our example again. Like right now in grade 10, we need a lot of courage to, get through with all the work given to us. But yet, at the end of it all,
um,
we are still in our comfort zone, in our rooms right now, talking to each other like normal friends. I think that's comfort for all of us. So I think they can go hand in hand if if compatible properly. So I think that makes the most sense. So do you have any other concluding statement?
y- yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah,
So I would like to conclude this on a loophole for the audience to think about. If
sure.
we are given eternal comfort, and if you are comfortable with almost everything there is, you won't need you need courage to basically you need courage out of your comfort zone, or you don't usually do, or you don't know how to do. But what if you're comfortable with all those things that a normal man would need courage for? So by choosing comfort, you can indirectly choose courage also. So I think both the options are always better than one. So then just choose comfort.
Makes sense. All right. Okay, so that was our podcast on comfort against courage. Do tell us if you agree with our views, and if you yourself find any new perspective or point of view, and you can definitely provide us with a better, fresher set of mindset. And I hope you enjoyed and probably had a good time throughout the podcast. And thank you for listening. This is Krish Guradia Tirgada and Manan Gora from Grade 10 Dhyan. Thank you.
Thank you.
And please do share. Thank you.